Okay, so this is Digital Brain Hub. In this training session, I'm going to teach you how you can sell the hot selling product on Digitstem. And you know that Digitstem is one of the best affiliate marketing platforms. If you have an opportunity to register on Digitstem, you have two opportunities. The first one has to do with a lot of tutorials that you can learn at their e-learning center. And the second benefit or opportunity is your privilege to sell the product in their marketplace. Okay, so quickly, let me go to Digitstem. I want to show you how you can sell the hot selling products. Now, Digitstem is here. Can you see that? So I guess by now you have Digitstem installed on your phone. If you have not installed Digitstem, then you have to go to your Play Store or your App Store and install Digitstem on your phone. Okay. So let me click on the icon. So when Digitstem opens, let's see what we have. Okay. So this is the home. You can see that. So we have the home here. Yes. So we have home here. We have the dashboard here. We have the learning center here. Then we have the community here. I guess you understand that. So let me click on the dashboard. If you click on the dashboard, this is what you have. Let me click on affiliate. So when you click on affiliate, then quickly you see three horizontal lines up here. Can you see that? So you click on that. When you click on that, then you scroll up, then go to the marketplace. I am going to show you how you can sell the hot selling product on Digitstem, as well as any of the product you find on their platform. Now, the first product is the ultimate money machine. I guess you can see that. So when you go to their marketplace, the first product you see there is the ultimate money machine. This is the product. Are you getting that? That's the ultimate money machine. So now the ultimate money machine is the Digitstem itself. So those of you who have signed up, if you have signed up on Digitstem, that Digitstem that you have signed up on is the ultimate money machine. I guess you understand the picture now. So now I am going to show you how you can sell the ultimate money machine, the UMM. Now watch this. Do you see that the commission for selling the UMM course is 50%? You can see that. So now I'm going to show you what are you going to do. You are going to click on promote. As soon as you click on promote, a unique link will be generated for you. So this is your unique link. Now you click on this and you copy the link. So let me click on this. Now the link has been copied. Are you seeing that? So I have copied the link. As soon as you copy the link, you can leave here. Now where am I taking the link to? I will advise that you get a notepad, okay, a notepad where you'll be saving your links. It's important so that anytime you want to promote, so this is where I save my document. This is where I save my document. So let me open a fresh page, notes, then long press, then paste. So this is my link. Let me give it a title. Let me give it a title. Let's say Digitstem or let me say UMM link. Are you seeing that? Okay, so this is my UMM link. Are you seeing that? So let me save it. So now it's being saved. Are you getting that? It's being saved. So now what next? Now I have copied my UMM link. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how you can promote it organically without paying, without running adverts. And I'm going to use Facebook as a social media platform, okay, to teach you that. Now, before you go to Facebook, you should have a flyer that you are going to use to promote the UMM. Are you getting what I'm saying? Either a flyer or a video advert. I guess you understand that. So you can go online and download a lot of flyers from their platform, Digitstem platform. You can as well create a video advert. I guess you understand that. Now I'm going to teach you how you can use their flyers to promote the UMM course. Okay. So let me go to Facebook. Let me go to Facebook. Where is Facebook? Now when I click on Facebook, then what next? When I click on Facebook, okay, what is on your mind? Let me click in here. Then watch this. You click on photo or video. So when I click on this, it will take you to your phone gallery. Are you getting that? Yes, it will take you to your phone gallery. Then you go and select the image. You go and select the image. You go and select the flyer that you want to use. So these are some of the Digitstem flyers that I have. Okay, these are some of them. So let me select this one. This is the flyer I've selected. Don't forget that I have copied my link and I've saved my link in my notepad. Are you getting what I'm saying? This is the flyer. Now I have uploaded the flyer. So say something about this photo. So let me write access link. Okay, access link. Digitstem access link. Okay, Digitstem access link. Okay, Digitstem access link. Digitstem access link. So now you see that. Okay, so access link. Then let me long press and paste. So this is the link. So let me click on done. Next. Are you seeing that? Not now. So let me post it. I am now posting the flyer on my page. Okay, so it's here. Increase your reach, either to boost your post for more engagement. Not now, because what I'm teaching you is organic lead generation. So now anybody that looks at this flyer, the person can follow this particular link. Do you see that we have Digitstem access link? So when the person clicks on this link, it will take the person to the landing page, the Digitstem platform, okay, to purchase the course, and you are getting your commission. I guess you understand what I am showing you. Now, you can also get a write-up. You can get a write-up, very nice write-up, okay, so that you paste it here before your link, so that at least when the person comes, the person will read something about it first before clicking on the link. Are you getting what I'm saying? So this is one of the ways through which you can promote the hot selling products on Digitstem. Just download flyers from their platform, their site, and go and copy your hot product link. Then you come to Facebook, upload the flyer, then attach your link and hope for sales. Are you getting that? This is organic. Now, if you have a video advert, you can also use a video advert to do that. I guess you understand what I'm saying. Now, let me show you something. Let me go to ChatGPT. Let me go to ChatGPT and use it to show you something. Okay, so ChatGPT, ask anything. So I can say hello. Hello. Okay, so let me see. How are you doing today? Doing great. Okay, so I'm doing great. I'm now chatting with ChatGPT. Okay, doing great. Okay. So what's your mind? Writing, book project, YouTube, or something new? Now watch this. I want to, or let's say, can you give me a catchy write-up to promote my affiliate product? Okay, can you give me a write-up to promote my affiliate product on Digitstem? So now let me enter and see what we are getting. Okay, so you want something catchy, persuasive, and conversion focused. Okay, so tired of struggling online with no results? What if I told you that with just your smartphone plus internet connection, you can start making consistent weekly income without creating your own products, without customer stress, and without needing huge capital? That's exactly what Digitstem makes possible. It's an affiliate platform where you earn big by promoting already made high demand digital products. Inside, you will learn how to sell other people's products online and get up to 50% commission. Now, do you see what I'm getting from ChatGPT? Then what? The exact strategies top affiliates are using to cash out weekly. How to run your WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram into, how to turn your WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram into an income machine. Okay, so bonus, when you sign up through me, I will give you my personal beginner's guide that shows you how to make your first sales fast. People are already cashing out weekly. Why not you? Click here now to get started, and this is where the affiliate link will be inserted. Can you see that? Remember, opportunity don't wait. The best time to start was yesterday. The best time is now. So let me long press on it, then let me copy this text. Now let me leave here and go back to my notepad. Let me go back to my notepad. Okay, let me go back to my notepad. Where is it? My notepad, where I save my document. It's important. If you don't have it, get one. I am showing you how you can market the hot selling products on Digitstem, as well as any affiliate marketing platform you find yourself. So let me open a new page. Let me long press, paste it here. Okay, you have to do some few editing here. Got it? You want something catchy, so let me take this off, because that's the question I ask ChatGPT. I don't need it in my right type, so we take it off. So you have to do some few editing here. Okay, then what next? Okay, tired of, I think this one is okay. Where it's starting is okay for me. So tired of struggling online with no resource. This is the right app. I've already read this. Now click here now to get started. So your affiliate link. So let me leave here and go back to my Digitstem affiliate link. Okay, so let me copy it. I've copied it now. Let me come back to the right app. Then where am I supposed to here? So let me click in here. Let me take this off. What am I going to click in here? Paste in here is my, paste it. So that's the link. Do you see that? Okay, so that's the link. That's the affiliate link. Now let me save it, and let me long press on this. Select all. After selecting all, copy. Are you following? So let me leave here. Go back to Facebook. Let me go back to Facebook. Watch this tutorial over and over, and you understand what I'm driving at. I'm only showing you how you can organically sell your affiliate product on Digitstem. Okay, so now let me come back to, okay, so this is here, Digitstem affiliate link. Here you can see more. Let me edit this one. Let me edit this. Let me edit this. I'm going to take this off. I want to take this off. So let me long press. Let me paste something here. Okay, even this one must be off because this is not important. Would you like me to create something? Okay, so this one must be off. So make sure you edit it before you bring it here. That one is something you must do yourself. Okay. Okay, so then let me click on done. Then let me save it. Then now watch this. Okay, so you can see that when the person comes to your Facebook page, now watch this, see more. So the person has something to read. Tired of struggling online with no resource. Do you see that? Now after the person has gone through this, click here now to get started, and the person can click on your link. So let me click on the link. As soon as the person clicks on the link, let's see where the link is taking you to. Let's see where the link is taking you to. Okay, let me click on it again. Let me click on it again. You will see, let's see. So digitstem.com. You see that? Now this is the landing page of Digitstem. So the person will now find himself here. The person will go through the tutorials. Are you getting that? Yes. Go through the testimonials over here. A lot of things. The person will read all this. Then when it gets to a point where the person wants to get to click for instant access, then the person can click here. As soon as the person clicks here, let's see what's happening. Don't forget that it was through your affiliate link that brought the person here. So this is checkout. This is where the person will enter his name, phone number, email address, country, and next. Then you proceed to make payment. As soon as the person makes payment, quickly your affiliate commission of 50% will be credited to your wallet and you can withdraw. I guess you understand that. So step by step, this is how you can promote organically. This is how you can promote your UMM course on Digitstem. So if you have not signed up on Digitstem, there's a link in the description. You can follow and sign up.